Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring another online learning platform called Simplilearning. They offered plenty of free courses to learn. In addition, they have another web page for exploring free courses named Skillup. Click the link, and the details of the courses are given below in the description. Please do check it out. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Let's begin. The course is focused on building strong foundational skills for career growth by Simplilearn. Click on the Explore Free Courses button, which redirected another dashboard with 13 different categories. Under each topic, you will get more free courses for beginner to advanced levels. The topics are: first, data science and business analytics; second, cybersecurity; third, AI and machine learning; fourth, software development; fifth, digital marketing; sixth, DevOps; seventh, cloud computing; eighth, big data; ninth, project management; 10th, agile and scrum; 11th, quality management; 12th, business and leadership; 13th, IT service and architecture. Unfortunately, the certification is not available for these courses. But learning, you will get additional knowledge and skills from these courses. Now choose any category that you want to learn. Click on the course topic, which is redirected to another dashboard with course details. Skills you will learn, who should learn, what you will learn, course duration, and get the 90 days access time once you start learning. To start, by pressing the Start Learning button. How do I get the courses? Click on the Login button on the top right corner. Sign up with your email ID and password, or your Google Gmail ID and password. Once you log in successfully, it redirected to another dashboard with the course you have selected. By clicking on the course, it takes to your course introduction video and the lessons. That's it. Start learning. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.